Welcome to the Global Mindset University. I am your host, Ashadiee, and on today's episode, I will do the challenge Constellation Maker. Now, what is a constellation? A constellation is a group of stars. Made by something. Like in the ages, people they used to lay down on the night side, look for constellations, such as the Big Dipper. Like that. So now it says add a star. This program displays an array of stars based on two arrays. The X positions and the Y positions. Now, what is an array? An array is like, let's say that we wanted to tell our favorite fruits right here in lists. And in order to do that, you make a variable called any variable. Then inside here, you get these brackets. And then you write what is your favorite fruits, like bananas or something. Like that. That's an array. And one for the X positions and one for the Y positions. Add another star by adding a new number to each array. To add another star, you just go here. Not there. Right here. Okay. We just go here. Add good and over here. And then if you did the same as me, then it'll be one here and one there. And good. We're on the next one. Now the next one, it says, make this program more dynamic by making it add stars when the users click the mouse. Add a mouse clicked function. I added a mouse clicked function. Push a new X and Y position onto the arrays based on the current mouse position, X and Y. So what it means here, what it really means is that you need to put the X positions dot push mouse X. And then we could just write the same here. We could just write the same as this. Good. And then not it like that. Y positions. Oh, there's a problem. Positions dot push, and then mouse Y. Then it'll draw a star. And then we missed a semicolon there, and you completed the challenge. So how did you complete it? Well, if you just run your code, then it was like this. Oh, look, there's something. Time to check that it works. Click anywhere on the canvas to make new stars. I would like to see a beautiful night sky. You'll put one here, there, here, there. There. Good, one there. Good. Wow, it's getting much beautiful. And if you click on one star so much time, it'll start to glow brighter. Okay. Well, I did not really add the code for that. It just did it by its own self. Okay. There is a problem here. I might need to copy this and paste it there. And good. Now we can see it better. Okay, now good. Okay, subscribe for our channel for more videos.
Bye.